Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Pakistan's Army Chief and Field Marshal Asim Munir is scheduled to have a closed-door lunch with US President Donald Trump today at the White House. The private lunch will be held in the cabinet room. The press has not been permitted inside. Asim Munir is also expected to meet Secretary of State and Defense Secretary. Munir is on a 5-day official visit to US. Pakistani media reports that the visit seeks to reinforce strategic ties with the US. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a telephonic conversation with President Trump. The conversation lasted for 35 minutes. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said that this telephonic conversation was on Trump's request. During the call, PM Modi briefed Trump on Operation Sindoor. He emphasized that India's actions were measured, precise and non-escalatory. He also stressed India has never accepted mediation and does not accept and will never accept it. The military conflict between Israel and Iran has entered 6th day. Both the sides continue to pound fresh missiles attack at each other. Explosions were reported over Tel Aviv following this morning. Iran also used hypersonic missiles for the first time, while Israeli airstrikes continued near Tehran, targeting military infrastructure. The tensions further soared as Trump issued a series of sharp warnings to Iran, including a demand for its unconditional surrender. Trump also threatened Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Then, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei issued a warning. In a post on X, Khamenei wrote, "The battle begins. Ali returns to Khyber." The statement is a reference to the first Imam of Shia Islam and his conquest of the Jewish town of Khyber in the 7th century. India and Canada have agreed to reinstate high commissions in each other's capitals. The decision followed a bilateral meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and newly elected Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney on the sidelines of the G7 summit. During their meeting, PM Modi and Carney also touched upon the trade negotiations between the two countries. They also touched upon the long-standing people-to-people ties, expanding commercial linkage, and growing cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The discussion between both the leaders also involved boosting economic growth through resilient supply chain and clean energy partnerships. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.